This is Fitness Tech Solutions, and today I'm going to teach you how to stream live on YouTube with OBS Studio. It's very simple. Okay, now first and first, I'm on my channel page, homepage. Just click on your icon, then go to YouTube Studio. So once I'm there, I'm on my dashboard right now. Just come to this icon, go live. So it brings out this black stuff like this, and I said I'm going to stream in OBS Studio. Just go to your and load your OBS Studio. You go to your Windows Start menu, then load the OBS Studio. Right now it's telling me connect streaming software to go live. You will be able to find your stream once you're live. Stream setup help. So this is basic help it's giving me. So done. Okay, now once you want to go live, first and first you have to edit your title. You can edit your title, tell viewers about your views, visibility, category, how to install or science and technology. You can upload tumbling even with your live stream. Just save that. Now you have saved it. I want to go live now. So let me just go through some things. So this is your stream settings, analytics, stream notes. So this is default stream key. This is my streaming key. So anytime you want to go live, this is the streaming key you want to use. But if you think someone else have known about it, you can click reset. You can just reset it. It will reset it. Now I got my streaming URL, backup server URL. So if this one doesn't work, I can use the backup one to work for it. So streaming latency, normal latency, low latency, ultra low, just for your internet connection, the speed of the internet. So you can add a 360 video if the video you want to upload is 360. But if it's not, you're not going to enjoy the video. So I'll just advise you not to use a 360 video. To add delay before the stream starts streaming, you can add 30 seconds, whatever. But then just add none. So close captions. On this live we play one stream. Okay. So now this is a comment section why you're streaming, and you can also chat with the people that are watching with you. So now let's get to our OBS Studio. And one more thing before you start streaming, I would advise you to have a cabled internet connection. This is Wi-Fi. Now I got a cable internet. If I open my Wi-Fi, you see I still have internet. Turn back, I still have internet. So a cable connection is usually the best for streaming, because a cable connection is usually faster than Wi-Fi. So now let's get to our OBS Studio. This is my OBS Studio. Now I want to start streaming. First of all, you have to import a video into this OBS Studio. You can do this by just going to your libraries, then dragging any video from your libraries into it. It's gonna work. Okay, now let me drag this one, copy. Now I got this video playing now. So when you want to start streaming, just click start streaming. But because I've streamed this OBS Studio before, it's just going to, it knows everything already, so it's just going to start streaming immediately. But before that, if this is your first time, just click on settings. Now this is general settings. You can edit anything you want to. Then streaming, because you want to stream. Now let me just remove this one out. Remove this one out. Okay, now this is the normal one. If you're using OBS Studio for the first time, this is what it's going to show you. For you to get all these things, you want to stream live on YouTube, so I advise you to use YouTube RTMP. So now primary YouTube's ingest server, like I told you, check back. We have two links. This is the backup link, backup. So let's just copy the first one. If the first one doesn't work, you can go back to the back one. So we're using the first one. Then our streaming key, let's get our streaming key. From here, you come here, you check it out, okay, then you copy it, then you go back to your OBS studio, then paste it there. You can show it if you want to. Now I got it, so let's just apply, then okay. If you don't apply, it's not gonna work. So now let's start streaming. Like I said, you must have a cable internet connection to make it faster. Over here I'm already live. I do for like 8 seconds. Just place, let's see it, record if you want to record. So this is the internet speed, 2.32258. that just keeps on changing. The internet speed is very much important, just for you to know how your streaming health to go on. Okay, now let's get to this YouTube. Now it knows we are live. It has gotten a video from our OBS studio. It's loading. Okay, there was no audio because I logged this one here. So once you lock it, so first and first, it's going to pick up the audio. Let me just go back to live. Okay, now. So now we have an excellent connection. Concurrent viewers, just one. I think that's me. So this is stream settings. If you want the 360 video, you have a 360 video, you can click that. So analytics. Okay, yeah, stream health is very much important. So good, you have good right here, because there are 3 types of stream health. You have excellent, good, and poor. So warning, please check video resolution. The current resolution is not optimal. I don't have to get that. Stream is healthy, stream is excellent, no data. I really like this way. So in this way you can stream using OBS studio on YouTube. And for you to share your video, like I said, since you're a beginner in YouTube, you gotta make your video private so that people will not be seeing, especially because you're just testing how streaming will work. Okay, now you want to share a video, just have to come over here, share, then copy the link. Once you copy the link, you can send it to anybody to share your video. Thank you very much. This way you have been able to stream live with on YouTube with OBS Studio. Thank you very much.